As you can see, I got it plugged in right here, this air compressor. Man, this thing is awesome. As you can see right here, it's fully charged. And I'm gonna go through and walk you through how this thing works. If we're looking at this face to face right here, this right here is where you plug in your type C to charge. This right here, you can use this as a power bank to charge your phone. And then you got this port right here where you plug in case your battery go dead. You can plug this in and plug it into your cigarette lighter. And it also has a little light right here. So I'm gonna walk you through the turn on the light. Just hit this. You see how that light comes on? Hit it again, it starts blinking. Hit it again, it blinks faster. Hit it again, it turns it off. But I'm gonna go ahead and screw this in. And just go clockwise and tighten this up. And just get it snug. And that's good. And here go how this operates. And you want to go ahead and hold this for about 3-4 seconds. You'll see, and turn it on. And right now it's set for 30, and up here in the corner it's got car. So I'm gonna bring it up to 50. So we're gonna put 50 pounds in here. And the only thing you have to do is connect it right here. And it tells you exactly right there how much pressure you have in it. Right now it's 46. So I'm gonna put 4 more pounds. So you just hit this button and it start putting air in it. So once it got to 50, it stopped. So it took less than a minute to put 4 pounds or 5 pounds of pressure in here. So once it's done, you can just take this off, hold this down for about 3 seconds, and it's off. So it ain't nothing to this. I say if you ain't got one of these, keep one in your car, your truck, your husband, your wife, your sons and daughters, nieces and nephews. Make sure they got one of these. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off, and that's it. It's that simple. Like I said, this thing is awesome. As a matter of fact, you can charge your phone with it. And this USB right here, you want to plug your charger in, and you see it turn red. You don't need to turn the power on or nothing. That little red dot right there lets you know, hey, you can use it to charge your phones or anything. So if you run out of power, watch, see my phone, just look up here. Once I plug it in, it starts charging. So there you go. You got a charger, air compressor, light, all in one.